Hello everyone, this is Sir June. Welcome to my channel. So before we'll start our lesson for today guys in math, I just want to say first that kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, wag na wag mo kakalimutang mag-like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell notification for more videos updates. Thank you so much guys, and let us start our lesson today. So our lesson for today guys will be all about division. So let's proceed in the next slide. So, guys, it says here that when we do dividing, we share equally. So that means there is the same number in each group. If you had sweets and share them equally between you and a friend, it would only be fair if you both had exactly the same number. And that is called division. Okay, guys, in this slide now, shows for the parts of division sentence. So I have here an example of division sentence, which is the 40 divided by 8 equals 5. So for in this part, guys, I'll be teaching you the three parts of the division. So we have here the dividend, the divisor, and the quotient. Again, these three words are the three parts of division sentence. So let us now identify these numbers, uh, their names. So we have here 40. 40 is the dividend, and this 8 is the divisor, and 5 is the quotient. So I hope guys you learned for this part the three parts of division sentence, and I hope that you will be able to identify now the parts of division sentence. So the next slide, guys, will be showing with you the meaning of these three parts of division sentence. So let us proceed now on the next slide. Okay, in this part now we have here division vocabulary. So again, we have your dividend. So let us now define the word dividend. So it says here that dividend is the number being divided. Divisor is the number dividing the dividend. And the last one is the quotient. The quotient is the answer to a division problem. So I have your example below, guys. I have your 6 divided by 2 equals a 3. So now let us identify their name or the parts. So the 6 is called the dividend, the 2 is the divisor, and the 3 is the quotient, which is the answer of division. So I have here another part of the division sentence, guys. I have your remainder. And this is new for you now. Now, remainder, guys, take note that this is the number left over after dividing into equal groups. So the example, we have here 7 divided by 2 equals 3, R1. R, guys, stands for remainder. So now, why there is one here left over, it's simply because if you are going to multiply the 2 and the 3, it's only 6. And for you to have 7, you need to plus the 1 from your product of 2 and 3. So again, 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7. So that is um, also the way of checking your answer if your answer is correct. Okay, so let us proceed now on the next slide. Okay, guys, in this part now, showing you another example of division. So here, I have 10 cupcakes and I am going to divide them between two people, me and Bonnie. So now here, 10, we have your division sentence. Of course, this is the problem solve word problem rather. This is a word problem, and we need to write the division sentence. We have your 10 divided by 2 equals blank. So for you to be able, guys, to uh, find the answer, you need to use a picture. So pictures for you to be able to get the correct answer. So since 10 cupcakes, so you have your 10 cupcakes. So you have to divide them into two groups. So now we have here, so for this, for me, and this is for my friend Bonnie, and each of us receive one, two, three, four, five. So each of us get the total of five cupcakes. So the answer is five. So 10 divided by 2 equals five cupcakes. So we got five cupcakes each. So 10 divided by 2 equals 5. And now these are the cupcakes that I received and also my friend. So sometimes, guys, you have an amount that cannot be divided equally. I wonder that you can do then. It is still has to be fair, guys. So through division operation, can be the best operation can be used for us to have equal number of objects or whatever that we are trying to share or divide. Okay, guys, look at this. So this slide now shows how uh, we are going to divide numbers using pictures. So we have your lollipops, pictures of lollipops. So we have your number sentence on top. 13 divided by 2 equals. So for us to be able to have equal number, guys, we are going to apply pictures. So we have here me and Bonnie, the two were friends. So pictures of my friend. So we have here, we divide the lollipops. So let us count now the lollipops. We have one, two, three, four, five, six, and this one has a total of six lollipops. And let us also count this part. One, two, three, four, five, and six. She has also six lollipops, and there's one extra here on top because there is one left over. So for the answer for that is, okay, guys, remember the groups must have equal amounts in them. So my friend and I receive six lollipops each. So there was one lollipop left over. So we write this as 13 divided by 2 equals 6, remainder 1. So again, the answer is 6 remainder 1 because 1 is the extra or left over. Okay, guys, in this part now, we'll be showing you long division methods. This is the another way, guys, in solving problem. This is another method in solving problem using division problems or division operation. So a while ago was all about the simple way or short method of division, but this time I will be teaching you guys using long division method. Okay, so let us start now our long division method discussion. Okay, guys, look at this. So we have here the parts of a division, and this one is the short method. And the other one here, as you see here below, as you see my pointer pointing to, this is called the long method. So I will be showing you guys and discussing with you the difference of these two. Actually, guys, all of this are just the same. They are just division, the same division method. I mean, different division method in way of solving. But this one is a short way, and this one is a long method. So now in the short one, based on my discussion in the previous slide, that this first number is for the dividend and the 2 is for the divisor, and this one 5, the answer is the quotient, and the extra number or leftover is called the remainder. Now if we are going to apply that using the long method, this is the long method, guys. You see in my pointer, I'm pointing to long method. So we have here, so example, we have 11 divided by 2 equals 5. So we have here divisor, the 2 is the divisor, the 11 is the dividend, the quotient is the 5, and the remainder is 1. Okay, so I'll be teaching you guys how it why there is one extra number here. So 11 divided by 2, guys, when you go up, you are going to use division method. So 10 divided by 2, no, 12, sorry, 11 divided by 2 equals 5. And then you need to go then, guys, you need to use multiplication fundamental operation. So 5 times 2 equals 10. So we have now the product here. This is the 10. Then next one is you need to subtract 11 minus 10 equals 1. And this one, guys, will be already your remainder. Why? Because there is none other number to be brought down here. So if there is none number here comes next of this, meaning to say you need to remain this as your remainder. Okay, so now in checking also your answer, you can also check for you to be able to be sure 100% with your answer. So you can multiply it. So multiply your quotient to your divisor and plus your remainder. If your answer will be your dividend 11, meaning to say your answer is correct. So 5 divided by 2 equals 10 plus 1 equals 11. So that is the way how we are going to check our answer, guys. So let us proceed now to the next slide. So guys, sometimes division questions look like this. So I have that like this one. So 468 divided by 2. So this means that 468 divided by 2 is, okay, how would this be calculated? So now here, guys, the 468 divided by 2, you have to start dividing from your 4. So now 4 divided by 2 equals 8. That is 8. And then you're going to write your answer here in the first one. Then 6 divided by 2 equals 3. And then 8 divided by 4 equals 2 equals 4. So that's the way how are going to divide numbers using long method. We have another example here. The 363 divided by 3 equals 121. Okay. Okay, guys, we have here. I'll be showing with you more examples so that all of you guys will be learning a lot for this lesson. So I hope you will be enjoying watching and listening and learning for this topic. So let us have more examples so that you will have a deeper understanding of the topic. Okay, so let us proceed now on the next slide. Okay, so how many lots of 3 in 9? So take a look at this, guys, how it forms to the how it comes out to its answer, because I'll be showing with you 9 divided by 3 and what will be the answer. So how many group of threes are there in 9 lots? Okay, take a look at this, guys. Very nice. So how many lots of 3 in 9? So the answer is 3. As you see here in the yellow, we have here 3. So now, in a short way of writing this one in the division sentence, we have 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So the answer is 3, guys. So there are 3 groups of 3s in 9 lots. Okay, in this slide now, we have a total of 32 lots, and I will be showing you guys how it forms to 4 groups, because it says here in the division sentence we have 32 divided by 4. So how many 4s are there in 32 lots? So take a look at this, guys. Oh, so amazing, guys. Look at this. We have here formed. We formed now the 32 lots into four four groups. So I mean four lots in each group. So now let us count how many groups of 4 are there in 32. 32. So let us count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, guys, fantastic work. We have a total of 8 groups of 4 lots here. We have a total of 32. So again, 32 divided by 4 equals 8. So that is the answer. Oh, guys, we're done our lesson for today, and I hope you guys you all understand our topic, and I hope that you learned a lot. Sana po ang video math tutorial na ito ay nakakatulong sa ating lahat. So, pwede nyo pong magagamit ito sa ating instruction materials if you are teaching or tutoring a child, or pwede mong gawing reference natin sa ating pagtuturo. Alam kong halos lahat sa ating ngayong mga guro or mga parents or students ay nangangailangan ng mga learning materials like this, video math tutorial. So I hope pwede nyo itong magamit. I mean, lahat ito, dapat ito ay or sana ang video ito ay makakatulong sa atin lahat. Thank you ulit sa panonood, at please do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell notification for more videos updates. Again, guys, thank you so much, and I love you all. Bye!